while they get Chick-fil-A, I'm gonna do an oil change, or Sam is gonna do an oil change.
How many miles has it been?
About 8,000.
Yeah, it's been more than that.
It's probably been more than that. But here she is. This is the BRZ, and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Yeah, that's how you take care of a Subaru right there. Just never do an oil change.
Yeah, just don't do an oil change, bud.
Oh,
That's not that bad.
But it looks black.
It looks black. Is the real reason I am here. It is backwards right now.
The reason is to put an angle kit on, but not to do an oil change.
Yeah, fuck the oil change. We got an angle kit from gktech. My wife bought it for me for Christmas. So now we could drift.
I love jacking off.
Here we go. Stock angle.
I don't know why this is all. You need some zip ties. I have some zip ties.
You don't need zip ties. I just haven't unbolted it. And it just goes right back on.
Oh.
Yeah. He said my shit's dark. Let's see.
Bro. You don't even need oil, to be honest. You can just run on water.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
The one SpongeBob episode where he's like has the seat.
All right. We got Sam taking off the caliper so that we can take off the plate back here.
Backing plate to remove that.
Yeah, we have to remove that because it won't fit. We just took off the tie rod.
You'll have to take the rotor off too.
Yeah, we have to take off the entire rotor and the caliper to take this off. So
It's actually not too bad as long as you know as long as you have the right tools. Unlike us, I mean, all my tools are at work. I may have just shit myself. All my tools are at work, but I have some decent tools here. And I think my ass is wet. But you know, we're gonna fucking keep working. Because I'm trying to get this done for Daddy.
don't break my shit.
Sorry, Daddy. Where's my 17? Not the right one.
I mean, it should. I saw it back off. Did it not?
We're just gonna hit this with a hammer.
Oh my god. All right, we got the dust shield out. I got this out, and then this out. All that out. It's all out. It's ready. Let's see how this lines up.
Is that full lock?
Yeah.
Turn the other way.
Oh yeah.
Wait, move, Sam.
You're rubbing. You're gonna rub.
On these ones, yeah.
On your stock, maybe not.
That's fucking crazy.
Is that full lock?
Yeah, but I think I'm hitting something. Bro, look at my zip ties.
Yeah, you're hitting your coil loader.
Am I?
Oh no, you're not. Is that more angle than stock? Well, mine's at full lock right now. Oh yeah.
It's cold and I'm kind of tired and it's a weekday and I was gonna do like a parts list and you know some install. I was gonna do more install video things, but yeah, it is. All right, we're back at it. I got a hold of some spacers and I got an alignment. So here it is. I threw on 25mm spacers. Can you full lock it for me?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna full lock it.
That's full lock.
Full lock. Okay. Let's see the clearance. It rubs a little bit on the inside. All right, other way.
It's still gonna rub right here. It's not letting the whole thing go by.
Oh, that's good.
Clears?
Yeah, that clears. But you said it rubs on that side, so
What's full lock look like?
it's pretty good. It's a lot.
Is that more angle than stock?
Yeah, it's like way more angle than stock. Here you go. The most important part of your gktech kit is the sticker. All right, another important step is marking all your bolts so that if they come out of alignment, you could tell. There you go. See, it's marked right there. It's marked on the part underneath. It's marked right there, and then on the bolt, and then of course my link is marked, and then right here, this bolt that I undid is marked. So yeah, mark everything. It goes tomorrow. We're drifting, and I don't want it all to fall apart. Well, sorry Chandler, but I put a hole in your exhaust. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm running your exhaust.
I farted.
Oh, it's still recording. We out here. I linked the whole track.